Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create tags for blog post on a WordPress website. It is super easy. As you can see, I'm into the admin dashboard, right? And here if you go to the post section, then you get an option of tags, right? I'm onto the post section and here you can see the tags. I'm going to click on this and it is quite similar to creating a new category, right? For example, I just want to create a new tag, blogging method, right? So here we can also enter the slug, that is a part of permalink, you can say, right? Whenever a user opens a web page, then in URL, then after domain name there is a slug, right? So we have entered the slug. Slug doesn't have spaces in it, right? URL structure don't have spaces, so we have replaced the space with the dash, right? And here you can enter the tag description. Make sure to write a SEO optimized tag description so that your tag also ranks in Google search engine result page, right? Tags also get indexed in Google search engine. So writing a good SEO optimized description of tag will help you in ranking this tag in Google search engine result page so that your articles or blog post can get good traffic, right? I'm clicking on add tag and as you can see my tag will be created. Okay, it is done, right? Let me tell you one more method. While you are posting an article, then also you can create tags. So I have visited the all post section and here I'm just editing this article. You can also post a new article, right? No matters. While posting an article, you can simply add tag over here, right? For example, I want a tag of WordPress theme installation, then I can simply enter and click on enter. Okay, so it is super easy. The tag has been created, right? So this is how you can create tags for your blog post in WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.